guys, how are you? So today we're gonna be doing what's in my doula bag. Let's get right into it. This is my doula bag. It's kind of big. I feel like I need a bigger one, not gonna lie. Sometimes I don't use this stuff, but a lot of the times I do. So this is my rebozo. This is what I use to shake the apples. So basically that shakes out the contractions, it shakes out the pain. And I also use this to lift mom's belly up, or if mom wants to do like an assisted squat, I'll put this behind my back or have dad put it behind his back, and mom is able to like hold on to it and bend down and squat. So this is something that I use often when I go to a birth. My lights, this is my galaxy light. It projects onto the wall and it's different colors and it has like stars. It's very cute. It draws attention, but it is also used as a distraction. So this, and it's peaceful. Then we have these. So these are like stress balls, muscle balls. I don't know what it's called, but it redirects pain. So you squeeze it, and when you squeeze it when you're having a contraction, and it's supposed to redirect, you know, your brain to think about the pain's here, not there. So this one is a little softer, it's a little easier to squeeze, while this one is a little bit harder. And you can roll it on your body, you know, your feet, wherever you feel like you need to redirect the pain to the scene or something. Okay, this is my cordless TENS machine. Hopefully you can see that, but it has like a pregnant mommy on it. Supporting you through labor and birth. That's what it says on the side. But this is like the machine, how to operate it. And it has these two things. And I connect it to this, turn it on, put it on mom's back. I know I need to charge this. It is not gonna work. But basically I use the side to adjust how high it goes and how intense it is. And I recently learned that there is a relax mode on here and there is a surge mode on here. So I'm going to have to, let me turn this off. Practice that surge mode on somebody. But what that does is also redirect the pain to somewhere else, but your back mostly. This is for bread. I'm just kidding. This is for your body. It's like a muscle rolling pin. You can roll it on your legs, on, you know, your back, whatever is helpful for you. Moms find this helpful on their back to like roll the contractions out. It's comfortable, it feels good, and it's very soft. Essential oils. So these are my essential oils. I actually won this from a giveaway, thank God. But this is where the smell of the room comes in. Like, I use these, and I put them in here. This is my diffuser. It changes colors when I press the different colors, but yes. This is what has the room smelling so good. The nurses are always like, oh, it smells so good in here. They're always asking me what my essential oils are, and I will share that with you. Coming up next, eucalyptus, lemongrass. This is lemon, lavender, and I also use peppermint, but my peppermint essential oil is at one of my clients' house, and I still have not picked it up from her, so I'm gonna have to get a new one, or I can pick it up from her. Either way it goes. But yes, I left it over there. I'm gonna come get it eventually. Then I have this. It's a stress ball, and it has like different sayings on it. Believe in yourself. Focus, listen, breathe, because that's what you need to do when you're in labor. Then I have, this is, sticking together a little bit. This is my other TENS unit. So this one has wires, and you can still move around with it on. It has 4 sticky pads. I place 1, 2 on the back, 2 a little bit to where like the hip area is on mom. And it helps redirect the pain. I also have books in here. I need to put my essential oils. I need to put my affirmation cards in here because I made some and I need to put them in there. I have this healing oil. So this is also, it's like massage oil, something that I can rub on moms, on their backs, on their shoulders, on their feet, whatever they may need in that moment. If you want to be touched, everybody don't like to be touched, and that's fine. But this is the oil that I use. I have an additional phone stand. Try to get those angles, try to get that content. But that's all I have in here right now. It's not everything that I bring with me. I have a massage gun that I also bring. I talked about my affirmations. Okay, I'm putting all my stuff away. So, now that you guys see what I bring with me to a birth, my question to doulas is, do you see anything here that you're already bringing with you to births? Is there anything that you want to start bringing to births? And then for doulas, clients, pregnant people, whoever's watching, is there something that you think I should add to my doula bag? I'm not taking anything away, so don't. But is there anything you think I should add? Yeah, and then any other questions that you may have. What videos do you guys want to see next? Let me know in a comment. I like to talk. I like to chat. Let's chat in the comments. I'm not gonna call y'all chat though, because I have to figure out what to call you. But guys, I say guys when I'm talking to multiple people. So for now, guys, leave your comments down below and I will get back to you. I wouldn't consider myself a yapper, but I like talking to people. So we can chop it up in the comments. Oh, also, has a doula ever brought any of these things to your birth? And then what was your favorite thing that you saw me pull out of the bag? And if you have more questions, let me know. But this is Doula Kia tuning out. Thank you for watching. I'm planning to post a lot more videos. Me and my peace sign against the world. Doulas are the best. Get you one.